Right, update, little video. One passenger seat and one sunroof panel. Oh my God. This is my bright new shiny, very, very big box of tools. Anyway, and that's what she's looking like at the moment. Seats are out, well, apart from the driver's seat. Carpet's a disaster. There's no sunroof in it at the moment. Yeah, it's going to look worse before it looks better, but never mind. So that's all of that. And concrete is in for the 4-post lift, which is going in. Happy days. So last little update. That's the dashboard. This is now just hanging here. So the wood can hopefully go off and be looked at. So that's it for now, and more coming hopefully next week.